Hello and welcome to Tash Life 2. I'm Tash and today I have a journal flip through for you. I have been making journals, Christmas card journals, and I will show you. So these are based on Natasha from Treasure Books recipe and I just wanted to do a flip through, show you what they're like, and yeah, I just wanted to do a flip through. So there are 14 of them. They're all pretty much the same, based on the same thing. So we've got this. They've all got a little tassel with the claw clip, same as Natasha's. This is the same. So this is just I've left the to and the from on there so that if someone wants to give it to someone, they can write in there. We've got here, this is the envelope. So I've made these little cards and sticker, and there's a little stamp there. It's just a journaling card. And a little stamp. Each one has a different little stamp here and under the journaling card. So this is avocado dyed and this is tea dyed. Got these bags here, and we've got some of these. I've actually covered these ones, lined them on the back. And here, the other side of the bag, another one, this is lined. Some stenciling. Some more stenciling. And this is the back of the envelope, and it's gold on the back, and then my little name there, and that is pretty much, you know, the gist of it. I will do a quick little flip through of the others just so that you can see. There is also a couple of little jingle bells in here. One there, where's the other one? There. So I will do a quick little flip through of the others just so you can see the differences in them. And yeah, I'll probably do that in silence. I think I've missed some stenciling on this one, so I'll have to add something. Okay, so that is all of those ones. There are 14 altogether, and yeah, I will link down below the links for her videos and also her channel, so you can see where I got this from. But yeah, I just wanted to show you, I'm really proud of this. Yeah, and yeah, have a think about what I'm going to do next. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.